All right. Hey guys. So, okay, we are going to attempt another pour with the same colors as Atoll and Space Destiny that I just worked on the other day. It was a 16 by 40. This is now a 24 by 48. It is going to be interesting to see how it turns out. With that being said, there are going to be times that it might be off screen. I can't really tell exactly how. I know it's in screen now, but if I start moving it around, it might go off screen. But I just want to let you know that I'm working on my own here, and in order to turn the camera on and off, I will have to go up a ladder to do it because I couldn't get it in screen otherwise. So with that being said, I'm gonna layer up the cups in the same way as Atoll and Space Destiny. I'm going to do 3 of them because it is a larger canvas, and we'll come back when we're ready to pour. Bye. Okay, so I've got everything layered in the 3 cups. I have more than enough paint, but it's always good when you're doing a large pour like this to have more than enough paint. Because I don't want to be in a situation where I might have to re-pour somewhere. Oh boy, that's gonna be heavy once all the paint gets on there. And yeah, so we're gonna give this a go. Fingers crossed that it works, because that would be absolutely amazing. So I'm going to leave a little bit in the cup. Just so that I have some for corners. What I want to do is straighten out that center. There's a little bit of a, there we go. I'm going to come over here and do the same thing. But I'm not really going to need this, but I'm putting it down anyways because it'll still help. I'm going to start, like maybe move this around a little bit. Seems as though I need to take the support out from underneath. I put a support between the bar and the bottom because I didn't want it to sag too much. Then again, so now I'm just moving this around. Well, that's just an interesting composition. Well, So we're not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to come over here. There we go. And leave some in the cup as well. And I think maybe we'll do over here. One more. And for some reason, my white sunk in this one, and I don't want to screw it all up. But so far the center's looking good. I think what I'm gonna do is give this one a torch. This one a torch. Hopefully the center is now back in the center. And we have a little bit of a flow extender here. I'll probably follow it in with some white because this really needs to stretch. So we'll see how it does. I always think it's always better to have more paint than you need and be in a situation where I have been in before where I've had to mix up paints and go from there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread out this extender and we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so we've spread everything out. I can't speak. And what I'm gonna start doing is moving this around. I'm gonna give it one more torch. To focus going this way and coming back. So it's definitely not going to be exactly as I had planned, but hopefully it'll be something. All right, so we're gonna go. These are really, really hard to do on oblong shaped canvases, and not oblong, but rectangular. And this one is very much so rectangular and it's large. But I'm liking what's happening. Not on this end though, so I'm gonna really stretch this. because you gotta get enough paint, I'm liking it, to really cover the whole piece. And I know you guys can't see right now, and I'm very sorry, but I'm gonna lift it this way. So this is not easy by any means, but I'm gonna be so excited if it works. Okay. I'm gonna go down here. I really like this corner right there. So I want that to show up. Got paint everywhere. Good thing I put down some pads. Really can't see it holding that way, so I'm gonna grab the inside here. And I know I have, there we go, a push pin somewhere there. Okay, oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. I can't wait to do the 5 foot by 4 foot that I have. I can't see what's going on, but wow. So yeah, I think she's gonna like this one. I could be wrong, but I think she's gonna like it. Oh my god, my arms are getting so tired. I don't know how you do it, Mina. So, and then I come this way. I need to get onto the other side and do it because I don't like that. First I didn't like this area, but now I don't like the area down there, and I just gotta watch the drips on the other side, because if I see the drips, then I know it's moving enough. And off that edge, there we go. Oh, I love this area. I gotta be careful not to put my hands over the canvas, because I got okay, I'm done. I can't move this anymore. I'm absolutely loving this piece, and what I'm gonna do is, oops, I'm gonna clean up a bit and bring you guys down in just a minute. I'm gonna give it a quick torch also. See you soon. All right, guys, so, oh my gosh, this one is so freaking cool. The fire opal minus the overhead glare. I'm so sorry, but this piece is so large that it's picking up everything. And all of this. I hope I'm like shaking, so I apologize if I'm going too quickly. These areas are so cool. It's like it's lacing or something. The colors are a lot brighter than they look, but you know, they are what they are. And the blues. I'm sorry, that was a noisy truck that just went by. And the greens and fire opal, well, the turquoise that is. And then the red over here. This piece just has so much color and so much going on. It's so pretty. So the one thing I learned is not to put a center support between the bar and the canvas in the beginning. And so the next time I ever do that, I'll just let it be and then go from there. But I am so happy with the way this one has come out. Oh, this is like the richest turquoise with the Bordeaux red with it. And the fire opal just mingles amongst all the other colors. And I have lots of favorite spots, but I do love this corner a lot. So I think where all the fire opal and white came together, those are my favorite spots on the canvas because it brings a beautiful array of colors mixed with light and dark. All right. Okay, guys. Well, thank you so much for coming with me on this. Oh man, it looks so dark, but it's not dark. On this journey. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have a great weekend. Bye.